Okay, your next lesson will be very similar to the first one, only you're going to take it to the next step. Uh, it's going to be using auto keyframing, but instead of just a simple primitive object, you're going to use a biped. You're going to animate the biped, have it do some sort of athletic activity. Um, to do this, go to Create, and then go down to Systems and choose Biped. And then just click and drag and create your biped. And to bring it forward, hit Z, so that should bring it forward to all the viewports. And from here, we're going to use the same technique that we learned in the first lesson. Uh, you can grab a part like the hand and turn on your auto key, and you can move the hand, and then you move the timeline. For this one, you might need more than just 100. Go ahead and make your length 500 and try and use this whole amount of time for this project. And you can have it do, like I said, any kind of athletic activity. If you want to stick other objects in there, have it bounce a ball, or put a table in there and have two of them arm wrestling, you can do that. Just use the same technique so that we can continue going in the same direction. So see, from here to here, his arm goes out. If I go to 1, bring it back. And remember, with keyframing, every object has instructions of its own. So if I click this hand, you don't see any keyframes down here. If I click this hand, you do see the keyframes, because each object is separate. Now, technically, these are bones that we're dealing with here, so in the future, we'll skin a biped. So, but by that I mean we'll take an actual model, and we'll tell it that we want that model to conform to this bone structure. Maybe at 100 we start with the feet. Maybe he kicks out real fast. You can use rotate too, remember. All that is recorded. So let me show you what we've got so far. See, what I want you to do for this project, do a lot more than just this. I want you to actually have this guy moving around and possibly interacting with other objects if you have the time for that. If you don't have the time for it, it's okay. This is a more complex model, so you've got to do like each little part, the head and all that. But if you do have time, go ahead and add other objects into this, and then just render it out. You'll have 1 week to complete this project.